Today I'm gonna show you how to create these cool bubbles inside the glass or liquid material, and a lot of people are doing it wrong, but it's really easy to do it once you know how to do it. So here's the cube with the bubbles, this is without the bubbles, and yeah, let's recreate it. It's really simple. So first we need to create a sphere, make it smaller. I usually prefer to have octahedron because it has a more unified topology. And here's the mistake a lot of people make. They just put the sphere inside the glass object and then they assign the same material to the sphere, and now you cannot see it, because what you need to do is you need to reverse the normals of the sphere. This is very important. So you just make the sphere editable, and then you select all the polygons, you right click and you choose reverse normals. And now once you turn on the main object, you can see that the sphere is inside and it's looking like a bubble. So now we just make it even smaller, create cloner, put the sphere inside. Inside the cloner we select the object mode, we put our cube here. Instead of surface we use the volume mode, make the sphere smaller. So now you can see there are a lot of bubbles inside and they look proper, but they're all the same size. So for now what we need to do, we need to add a random effector for the cloner object, and inside the random effector we just make the position randomness smaller. Then we can use the scale. I usually prefer to use uniform scale. And now you have different bubbles inside. Yeah, different size bubbles inside, and then obviously you can choose the seed, etc., the one you like. You can make it even smaller. Yeah, and after that you can just look for an angle which you like. Here is the problem, because we can see the bubbles are outside, but how to solve it? We can just create another cube which we will use as an object. We make it smaller and then we just put this cube instead of the other one, and now nothing is outside, all the bubbles are inside and it looks cool. And you can add dust and scratches to the surface for more realistic result. And yeah, this is how it's done. Thank you very much. Bye bye.